Hi everybody, welcome to my bathroom during quarantine. So my friend Felicia had an amazing question, and so I wanted to show everyone how to do this. My hair is second day and I've been wearing a hat all day. So it's flat, and Felicia had a question on how to help with that flat spot in the back of your head and that part that you get. So usually the first day we can get it pretty full. If we let it air dry, we have more of this crack in the back too. So this crack, that whole thing right there. So I'm going to show you how to blow dry and what to do when the hair is dry, just to kind of reboost. And you could actually reboost the whole top if you wanted to. So at first I'm going to just apply some water, and I'm going to kind of go underneath it. Cold water. And I'm just going to spray the roots and go under it as well. Just a few sprays. It doesn't have to be sopping wet, but enough to get it a little bit wet here. And then actually today I'm going to use the Root Boost by Moroccanoil. I'm sorry about my nails, you guys. They're really bad. So I'm going to use the Moroccanoil Root Boost. And it has this cute little nozzle on it to where you can spray in, but actually this is pretty aggressive, you guys. So I always spray it in my hand, about that much, so I can kind of evenly distribute it. So I'm going to kind of get it in between my fingers a little bit too. And I'm going to come up underneath here and just do one of these. So I'm kind of just getting product at the root. And like I said, I mean, you could come over here since it's flat over here from me being in a hat all day. Okay, and so now I'm gonna mute this and do the blow dry for you with it muted, so you don't have to listen to my blow dryer. Okay.
All right, you guys, I have my trusty Amika blow dryer and my round brush. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm blow drying everything kind of in the opposite direction. It's hard to do this in the mirror. So I'm blow drying everything up. So I'm going pretty far down to blow dry all that up. I'm making sure that my blow dryer was on medium. I don't want it on hot with fine hair. So I'm blow drying everything actually towards that crease, that part in the hair. So I'm just going to blow dry everything to that part and bring it over. So I'm bringing the front back, the underneath up, and the sides to the middle. Making sure that everything is dry. And I'm blow drying it straight up to the ceiling. So now that it's dry, I'm going to come through and cool everything off with my Cool Shot. So keep it all on cool, bring everything up towards the ceiling, and just hold it there until it all cools off. So by cooling it off, you're setting it. So it's kind of setting it in. If you don't use the Cool Shot, it's still hot, so when it falls, it's not going to stay. So making sure I got the Cool Shot underneath there. Fluff it all back out. And it looks like I just blow dried it that day.
Okay, so that kind of re-energizes everything, you know, a little bit. And you can also use your trusty back combing. When you do a back comb, I see a lot of people who just like take it from the top and go, but you really want to make sure that you're getting that underneath support. So you want to come down pretty low. You want to come down pretty low and through here, and you want to start lower. So you just want to do the roots. Kind of go up a little bit above it. And then a little bit above that. You want to be gentle with this. You don't want to be doing too much, and you don't want to be super aggressive and, you know, pulling on the hair. So you just want to make sure that you're kind of getting that support underneath it all to kind of keep it up throughout the day, because with finer hair and with thinner hair, it kind of ends up splitting by the end of the day as well, okay? So I hope that helps you guys. Talk to you soon.